Hello, hello, all you beautiful faces. How's everybody doing? Oh my gosh, I haven't done a video in so long, so feels weird doing it again. It feels like I'm starting all over, but got a couple of lure boxes to show you here today. But first, we're going to hear from the Word of God. And today, we are going to be speaking from Proverbs 1, and it is verses 22 to 33. It is the whole entire rest of the chapter. It says, "How long, you simple ones, will you love simplicity? For scorners delight in their scorning, and fools hate knowledge. Turn at my rebuke. Surely I will pour out my spirit on you. I will make my words known to you. Because I have called and you refused. I have stretched out my hand and no one regarded. Because you disdained all of my counsel and would have none of my rebuke. I will also laugh at your calamity. I will mock when your terror comes. When your terror comes like a storm and your destruction comes like a whirlwind. When distress and anguish come upon you, then they will call on me, but I will not answer. They will seek me diligently, but they will not find me, because they hated knowledge and did not choose the fear of the Lord. They would have none of my counsel and despised my every rebuke. Therefore they shall eat the fruit of their own way. For the turning away of the simple will slay them, and the complacency of fools will destroy them. But whoever listens to me will dwell safely and will be secure without fear of evil." I don't really think I have to say much more than that, because the word is pretty darn clear there. I know that in my heart I have nothing to be concerned about when I stand before the Lord regarding my testimony about my neighbors or about people who have come across my path, because I am not a slanderer. I come at people with facts and with proof, and I do not take somebody down for no reason. And anybody who wants to run with that crowd, leave my channel, because you're not welcome here. I don't care about your measly little subscription. I care about your salvation. I care about where you're going to spend eternity. But every choice matters, and we're in the last days. And I honestly feel sorry for people who are slandering without having any kind of facts whatsoever. But the word's very clear about what. You know, people think they're going to dig a pit for me. They're going to be the ones that end up and fall in it. Because I know I can stand before the Lord for the choices I've been forced to make. Because of lies, because of untruths, and because of things that are public domain that anybody with a brain can find out. Now, if nobody wants to do their homework and nobody wants to find out the real truth by just checking public records, then you don't do it. But there is nothing I have done on my channel that I have to feel ashamed of. So if people think they're going to stop me, they're sadly mistaken. But this is for all of you people who have a little bit of sense. Not for the people who don't. And I'm sorry if you guys think that's rude. That is just being blatant, is what that is. I am not being hurtful. I have been attacked and slandered in a manner that is completely unfitting for what I did. So this is just about putting out the truth, and the word is the truth. So I did get myself a couple of Allure boxes. And there is only one thing in there that is, well, actually two things. This is the bag that they sent, which last month's was just as awful. I received one ripped, again, just like last month, and then I received one that is in good condition. My daughter's came completely ripped as well. And Allure, please get another bag. If you feel necessary, if you feel the need to provide a bag, please do not keep going with these bags that break every single time you put the product in them. They are absolutely worthless bags. They are not good for anything but maybe coupons or receipts. You cannot put makeup in these bags because the minute you do, this is what happens. It rips at the seam. So we don't really need the bags anyways. I think most people would agree with Boxy Charm and with Ipsy and the bags that we get. We don't really need the bags. We want the makeup. So with that said, I will show you the products. Both of those bags are going in the trash. I won't even bless somebody with the good one because it's going to just end up breaking. Both boxes, I'll take it out one at a time. Both boxes got this is the, what brush is this? This is the Triad Eye Brush. Let's just get a little pamphlet in it. Tells you what all of the brushes are. And the brush, where is the brush? Oh, it's by Moda Metallics Triad Eye Brush. So it's kind of a triangle shape. It's flat on this end, and then it goes to a triangle on this end. And it's for soft, precise shading. So I'm always happy to get brushes. Everybody knows I have a lot of brushes. Anybody that's been to my channel knows I have a lot of brushes. So in both boxes, I also got the Mile High Club. I think the name is like wrong. I don't think it's appropriate for companies to have to go there and have young kids go, what's the Mile High Club, Mom? I just think it's inappropriate. But that's on Wander Beauty, and they're going to have to answer to that, that's for sure. But this is the volume and length mascara. These will go into a giveaway. I got in both boxes the Model & Co. This is the Metallic Eyeshadow Trio. It is absolutely a gorgeous, gorgeous little trio. If I can get my fingers in there, I will swatch it for you because it is very deep down in the pan. There's one color. Let's just do it here. That swatched like gorgeously, and almost all of it came off my finger, which is really nice. It is very difficult to get your finger into the pans. There is the brown. The swatches are spectacular, I have to say. And then let's see if I can get it in without, see, I'm scratching the other one with my nail. And this is a very light, I barely got any on here, so it's not going to be as good. Let me see if I can get let me get a brush, because I already ruined the brown on this one. So let me show you this one. Yeah, it's not swatching very well with the brush. I'd have to say you'd have to really wet that. Let me turn the light away and see if it shows more. It's a very faint gold color with a hint of pink in it. It's beautiful. I'm sure if you wet your brush, it's going to come across gorgeous on your eyes. But it's just, the pan is so shallow and it drops down. If you have fingernails like me, you can't barely get your fingers in there to swatch it. So the next item is the Mamonde Petal Spa Oil to Foam Cleanser, I would guess this is. Yeah, I'm trying to read it. Yeah, an oil cleansing foam for quick and easy cleaning that gently dissolves makeup with oil and forms a rich lather with water. I'll try it. The next thing that I'm really excited about is the Brow Gel because, but see, this says brown hair 02. Let me see, hopefully this one's, nope, this one's brown hair too. I don't have brown hair. I'm pretty sure these are going to be too dark for me. Let's open up because I'm blonde hair, and that's the kind of the bummer about these boxes when you don't do a profile. And then you guys all know if you do Ipsy, even though there's a profile, they, okay, so here it is. Let me get a mirror. I guess that's not that bad, huh? It definitely makes my brows much darker. See, now even looking now, just the fact that it was just very light, I'm not used to my brows being that dark. I'm just not. Maybe I'll get used to it. I will keep one of them for like mandatory moments, but I think I will stick with the one that I have from Benefit, which is actually my color, and use that. But I think this is so far a really great box considering all the stuff we get for the price. We got these Mamond Flower Lab Essence Mask in Rose, and if this has actual rose extract, since I studied essential oils for a very, very long time because of my illness, rose extract is one of the most, rose oil is one of the most, if not the most expensive essential oil on the market, and it is amazing for your skin. So if you get anything that has true rose essential oil or rose extract in it, it's very, very good for your skin. So these I'm excited to try. And then this is they did also give us these $25 gift cards. I actually have 3 because Savannah gave me hers. I'm going to hold it up so that if you guys want to use it, let's see if I can get it to focus. If you go to Gorjana.com, I guess, and you use the code Allure25, you will get a $25 gift off of your purchase. I do not see on here anywhere it says it says offer valid to through 12/31/19, available on full price items only, 1 use per customer. So I'm sure you have to spend $25 and then you'll get $25 off your purchase. So it's at Gorjana. So everybody use that code if you want to go there. And then the only thing I got different is in one box I got the Laritzi lip liner in the color Bear, which I absolutely love, and in the other box I got the Mally Beauty Lippy. I don't think it's a gloss. Let me see. It is a lipstick, liquid lipstick. The color is a very, it's like a cinnamon, a deep cinnamon red color. It's more in the, what you would call a brick family, but it's way deeper than a regular brick that you would see. This is more of like a deep brown berry color, but it's very pretty, but it's not my color. This is it's just not my shade, so this will end up going into giveaway items as well. But the lip pencil is absolutely beautiful, and that's the, here's the thing that's kind of weird about this is if you guys can see the end, it looks like this lip pencil sat in the sun. It looks like it sat, and this is all faded, and so it starts really faded here, so it's just odd, and then on the end it's super duper dark, but it's a very pretty color. I'll show you the color, but It is not a creamy lip liner, I can tell you that. Just to do this, I had to really, like, it feels very dry going on, but it's a beautiful color. But I'm not gonna lie, I have to tell you, from the way this looks, it looks like this has been sitting in a warehouse forever because of the end of this cap, and that does give me pause. I'm not gonna say that that's what happened. I'm saying that's what it looks like, because you know when you see things, you can tell the things that look really new and look really great, and then the things that look like they've sat a really long time. But I think this is really a great box for $15 a month. Each box comes with this. I've got this, the Brow Gal, the brush, the mascara, the coupon, and the mask. All of this for, I think it's amazing. I think it's better than what we've been getting in our Ipsy bags. I'm not gonna lie. I just think personally, don't forget the brush. I think it's really great. I think it's a really great box for Allure. I think Allure is stepping up their game. I think they're doing really, really great. They're really starting to compete with the other boxes, and I'm really appreciative. And I have to thank Miss Lisa for that, because she's the one who said, Pam, I was going to cancel in November, and she was like, stick with it, because she's all, good products are coming. It was either October or November I was going to cancel, and she said, stick with it. So I chose to stick with it. I trusted her judgment, and I stuck with it, which I'm really thankful I did. So I love you guys. I hope you guys are having an amazing week. I'm just really grateful to be able to do a video today, and I will see you guys in the next one. God bless you and keep you safe in this crazy world we live in. Bye.